Hello, and welcome to Project Cantorio. In this project, we will cover a peculiar planet in a different solar system many light years away and its creatures. But for this pilot, we will cover an early state of the planet where life has appeared, Poseidon L, and some of its early but not first creatures. Poseidon L has one large moon, about 50% larger than Earth's moon, that is a bit closer to the planet comparing to Earth's moon. Due to this different moon, this planet is divided into two seasons, low season and high season. The low season takes 5 months. During it, the ocean levels are lower and the ocean currents are similar to Earth's. The high season takes 7 months. During it, the ocean levels are bigger and the ocean currents are stronger. Poseidon L is very similar to Earth in terms of size and temperature, but its land masses are very different. The largest land mass is Zakar. It has a big desert near the equator, 5 permanent islands, and a peninsula that during the high season turns into an island. The second largest continent is Glacos. It has an average temperature of -40 degrees and itis, all covered by snow and ice. The second smallest continent is Triban. It has 3 islands and many mountains. The last land mass is the Jana archipelago. Life appeared in this planet in the part of the Prima Ocean next to it. A plant that would evolve in this planet would be the Curalites. This plant will grow up to 50 centimeters by extending its fiber cells instead of duplicating them. Due to this quick but unstable way of growing, this plant would evolve a skeleton to support itself. These plants grow in a way where one individual could make what seems like hundreds of individuals. But in reality, it is all one individual. If one of the parts of the body of this plant is attacked, its skeleton will vibrate and make the plant move, scaring creatures that think it is able to defend itself. Due to its way of growing, this species will have low genetic variety, so they may use one of its main weakness to overcome this obstacle. Its main weakness is its fragility to ocean currents. So instead of being limited by this strong ocean currents, it will adapt to when broken. The part that was broken will travel trough out the ocean currents until arriving in a place where ocean currents are weak enough. When it sinks to the ocean floor, it will vibrate, digging into the sand, growing and repeating the cycle. This plant is pink because it reflects red and blue light. At the bottom of the food chain there is the vermiters. It is a worm-like creature that, to avoid the strong ocean currents during the high season, would stay below the sand, filtering it with their bristles like teeth. During the low season they will come up to the surface, reproducing and laying eggs without stopping during the entire season. These creatures may grow up to 15 centimeters. A predator may take advantage of the massive amounts of vermiters during the low season. This predator is the lackeys. Lackeys are the apex predator of its time, growing up to 20 centimeters. This creature has an exoskeleton similar to Earth's insects, 10 legs, 2 mandibles, 4 eyes, and a long and flat segmented body. These creatures will stalk their prey, waiting for it to be distracted and then snapping onto the prey, killing it with their mandibles. But there is one creature that this predator can't kill, a creature that fills the niche of megafauna, being 35 centimeters long and having the strongest exoskeleton of its time. This creature is the Blisectum. Blisectums have 2 eyes, a claw at the end of its tail, and a chunky and sturdy segmented body. They will specialize in breaking the skeletons of Curalites with their claw. This creature is almost unkillable as an adult, but its babies are easy prey. Because of the strong currents, most creatures try to avoid them by living in the bottom of the ocean, but one creature may evolve to swim. Meet the Attacute, a 5 centimeters fish-like creature that has 4 eyes, 2 pectoral fins, and a thin membrane for their tails. These creatures will live in schools with up to 50 individuals. They are omnivores, and some of the least special is Edcreus in this world, so they have a long way to go. Probably some of the strangest creatures would be the Rebaco. This creature grows around dead Curalites skeletons. They are made of 2 types of microorganisms, one that produces string and another that controls the skeleton. These creatures mainly filter the water trough their net, but if something touches it, they will curve their branches and slowly dissolve their prey. Thanks for watching. I would love if you gave your opinion on this pilot, and thanks for the incredible art from my sister. I really appreciate it.